You welcome to Nature Nurture Hub, where your love for plants grows into a thriving garden of knowledge and beauty. There's something almost magical about the way the Nelumbo nucifera, also known as the sacred lotus, rises above still waters, untouched by mud, glowing with divine serenity. This breathtaking aquatic flower has graced temple ponds and garden sanctuaries for centuries, and now you can bring its peaceful elegance to your own backyard oasis right here in the USA. Growing Nelumbo nucifera might seem mysterious, but it's simpler than most beginners imagine. Whether you're living in sunny California, the warm Gulf Coast, or a mild Midwestern climate, this plant rewards patience and proper care with lush, floating leaves and radiant blooms that symbolize purity and renewal. Let's begin with the foundation: light and temperature. The sacred lotus is a sun lover through and through. It thrives best in 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Without ample light, the plant produces fewer blooms and weaker pads. If you live in northern states where summers are short, position your lotus pond or container in the warmest, sunniest spot available. The ideal temperature for steady growth lies between 75 degrees F to 90 degrees F 24 to 32 degrees C. Once the water dips below 65 degrees F 18 C, the plant naturally slows down, entering dormancy until warmer weather returns. Now, let's talk about planting and watering, the soul of lotus care. Unlike typical garden flowers, Nelumbo nucifera grows from thick tuber, like rhizomes that need to be handled gently. When planting, use a wide, shallow container or a lined pond area filled with heavy loam soil, not potting mix or sandy soil, as those can float away. Place the rhizome horizontally with the growing tips facing upward and submerge the pot in 4 to 6 inches of warm, still water. Water quality is vital. Avoid chlorinated or cold tap water. Rainwater or dechlorinated water works best. Maintain consistent water depth and warmth to encourage strong root formation. In the USA's dry western states, topping up the pond weekly is essential to counter evaporation. Overwatering isn't usually a problem with lotus since they're aquatic, but poor drainage or cold standing water can rot the tubers. Always ensure the soil is covered but not buried too deep. The rhizome must breathe to stay alive. Next comes feeding for lush growth. Lotus are heavy feeders, demanding nutrients to bloom at their best. Use a slow-release aquatic fertilizer tablet once new leaves appear, typically every 3 to 4 weeks through summer. Stop fertilizing as autumn approaches. This helps the plant store energy for dormancy. When it comes to pruning, gently remove yellowing leaves and faded blooms with sterilized scissors. This keeps your pond clean and prevents decaying matter from affecting water quality. Over time, trimming promotes new leaf growth and maintains the elegant shape of your Nelumbo nucifera canopy. Even the most resilient plants can face issues. Common problems include aphids, leaf rot, and poor blooming. Aphids can be rinsed away using a gentle spray of water or controlled with neem oil. If leaves turn brown at the edges, it could mean nutrient deficiency or cold water stress. Adjust your fertilizing and ensure stable warmth. Lack of flowers is often due to insufficient sunlight or overcrowded rhizomes. Repot or divide every 2 to 3 years in spring to rejuvenate your plant's energy. Every part of the sacred lotus rewards patience. From its heart-shaped leaves that dance in the breeze to the radiant flowers that open each morning and close by dusk, Nelumbo nucifera teaches balance, resilience, and grace. Start your journey with a single tuber, a sunny pond, and a bit of faith. With consistent care, your lotus will soon transform your garden into a tranquil sanctuary of floating beauty, a living symbol of renewal. So, are you ready to welcome serenity into your space? Start growing your Nelumbo nucifera today and let your garden bloom with purity and calm. Grow with Nature Nurture Hub. Subscribe now and join a community of nature lovers nurturing beauty, one plant at a time.